Thursday, and that means many of you are already thinking about your weekend plans.
And we have you covered with things to do, whether you want to celebrate the colder weather this weekend, Christmas, or Veterans Day, as we are working for the weekend.
Everybody's working for the weekend.
Veterans Day is a triumph for all those who have served and kept us free and continue to do so today.
It is a time to celebrate and honor all veterans who have served this country with bravery. The official State of Minnesota Veterans Day program is Friday at the Veterans Memorial Community Center in Inver Grove Heights. Veterans and their families are encouraged to attend. The morning will feature a free community breakfast at 8:30. The ceremony begins at 10. As the temperatures dip cooler this weekend, warm up with a bowl of chili. The Midtown Global Market is holding their 10th annual Global Chili Cook-Off on Saturday. For a $5 donation, you can sample 12 chili recipes prepared by vendors from around the market. Don't forget to vote for your favorite.
You better watch out, you better not cry.
Santa Claus is coming to the Mall of America. Old St. Nick will arrive tonight in grand holiday style outside the north entrance with his reindeer and elves. This year, enjoy a holiday carnival filled with special circus performers, a hot chocolate bar, children's activities, and treats. You can get your photo with Santa in Sears Court now through Christmas Eve. Finally, this Sunday, help celebrate the Twin Cities restaurant scene at the 6th Annual Charlie Awards at the Pantages Theater. Stay for the after party featuring appetizers prepared by Minneapolis culinary schools. Tickets are $35.
All right, so Santa also arrives at Ridgedale Center and Rosedale Center today.
How's he do that?
It's magic.
Okay.
Santa
Snaps
Claus,
his
you
fingers.
don't question Santa Claus. He'll also be at the Burnsville Shopping Mall on Saturday, Southdale Center on November 18th, and Valley Creek Mall in Woodbury on November 26th.
Do you guys do the Santa photos, Matt?
We do. Yeah, yeah, we did that last year.
Is Hank a happy baby on Santa's lap or a scared baby?
Neutral.
Okay.
Yeah, just kind of blank face. Who is this weird old man?
That's
holding
probably
me?
the right response.
Yeah.
He's a year older, you never know.
Yeah. Hopefully he screams and like asks for Hanukkah presents, because then that'd be like a.
Then you
very
win.
adult
Take
thing.
that, Kate.
Yeah.
Nice.